Chapter 2 A Meeting in the Rain. Flapian, the oldest dragon in the valley, had seen more than his memory could hold. His scales no longer glowed, but he could still breathe fire. And whenever the younger dragons were at a loss, they would come to ask his advice. Once all the other dragons in the temple outside Sleeper's cave finally lost him. The sun had set. A black and starless sky lay over the valley, and it was still raining. When the old dragon emerged from his cave, he looked gloomily up at the sky. His bones ached from the damp and cold weather made his joints stiff. The other respectfully made way for him. Sleeper looked around. None of the dragons were missing, but so was the only brownie present. The old dragon moved through the wet grass with heavy steps and dragging tail toward a rock that rose in the valley like a giant head covered in moss. Breathing hard, he climbed up on it and looked around. The other dragons gazed up at him like frightened children. Some of them were still very young and knew nothing but this valley. Others had come with Sleeper himself from far, far away, and remembered that the world had not always belonged to his humankind. They all felt misfortune, and they hoped he would deal with it. But Sleeper was old and tired now. "Come up here, lad," he said in a harsh voice. "Tell us what you saw and heard." The lad skipped nimbly up the rock, climbed Sleeper's hill, and crossed on his back. It was so quiet under the dark sky that only the sound of rain falling in. There was so a pocket of 100-mile night to be had. Lad cleared her throat. "Humans are coming!" she cried. "They broke in their machine and fed them and sent them on their way. They're already in the path to the mountain, only 2 days' journey from here. The family will hold them at Mayflower, but they'll get here some time or other. Because of the valley of yours, they're heading towards." A grown man towards through the ranks of the dragons. They raised their heads and pressed closer around the wings that he whispered. Fire Drake was a little way away from the others, with some place on his mouth, nibbling a dry mushroom. "Oh, terrific rock," he murmured, cutting him further a little more powerfully. "What does that mean?" one of the guys called out. "Why would they want to come here? Surely they have all they want where we are." "Humans never have all they want," replied Rat. "Let's try until we go away again," said the dragon. The way we've always done when one of them loses his way and turns up here. They're so blind they only see what they expect to see. They'll think they're on lucky rock, even or dead trees." But the rat shook her head. "Look here," she squealed. "If I've told you what I've told you 100 times, not humans are making plans, but being able to live on them available. Right?" She looked around. He looked around and gruffly. "You hide from human beings, but you are interested in what they're up to. We're so serious. We go into their houses. We eat upon them. We know what they're planning for your valley." Matthew and George Gray Whiskers. "Here she goes again, lining up the fence," Cole whispered in the driveway. "Yeah." But the giant ignored her. "What are you planning?" Then asked Sleepy immediately. "Come on, tell us." Rat fiddled nervously with a whisker. It was no fun bringing bad news. They're going from the valley," she replied, her voice faltering soon do nothing about water. Okay, we find and none of them talking on there. Point one pond. None of them will be left. Not even the trees over the shore by the water. The giant there, speechless. But that's impossible. What is everything that left? No one can do a thing like that. Not even us. And we're bigger and stronger than they are. Impossible. Bigger, stronger. You look at it all. You tell them, Paul. Tell them what you know like. Maybe they'll believe you. With an angelic message, she wins from her shop now. The dragon turned to find his soul. That's right, said the brownie. You've no idea. He spat on the ground and picked up him. You must have opportunity. Human beings don't go alone into the harmony they used to win. 800 new dragons. But they're still dangerous. More dangerous than anything else in the world. Oh, nonsense! And the Lord stole dragons from the police and turned his head and his back on hole. Let the children come. Rather brownies made me when they fear them, but we are dragons. What can they do to us? What can they do to you? So heard them on my answer. Heart very straight. He was angry now, and an angry brownie was not in being personal. You've never said under a valley, damn it, she said. I expect you to say human beings live on me like you. I expect you. You think they do know all their fight because they don't live much longer than one. I expect you to think they got nothing in their heads but thought of eating and sleeping, but they aren't like that. Oh no, not these days, so I'm putting nothing more. Those things are sometimes running across the side. Being of human, you harm them, man. Know them nothing, man. Don't think them. And no matter what traveling in the air. And human beings can talk to one another when you're all in the same country. They can talk about moving towards humans. And they have clubs made of ice that never melts. And their homes shine at night, and then they're shining. And if they try to hide, so in their head. And they can do wonderful things. Terrible things too. If they want to follow the value on it, then they will. You have to leave, whether you like it or not. The dragon stared at her, even the one who had just turned his back. Some of them looked up in the mountains, as if they expected my sheep to come crawling over the black piece at any minute. Oh, dragon! Monosaur. No, now he's gonna mean me so close that I do my emotionally. Wasn't awesome like you do. You know what I know about you. Here's the one and only my news. He came not off 5 years back in. And started singing like my forehead, didn't it? You heard all of you. Leslie me. We have to leave. I said leave. Helmet legs heavy with fear. The dragon turned to him again. For some of you, the old dragon continued, it will be the first time, but many of us have had to flee from human beings before. Although now it will be extremely difficult to find a place that doesn't belong to them. Sleep bashing his head sadly. It seems that there are more new moons every new moon. Yes, they're all over the place. Said the dragon who had been mulling over and only when I fly over the sea that I don't see the life of these beasts. They was just trying to live in harmony with them. Listening to him. No, he said, no, I live in harmony. Oh, yes, they can. No, they can't. But you. And then I gave them over the dragons. You're too big, too clever. And he added, shrugging his shoulders, too different. You would frighten them, and when something frightens you, it means they destroy it. Oh, and really, they're almost wiped us out. One before, many 100 years ago. He raised his every hand and looked at the younger dragons one by one. I hoped they would at least leave us an army. It was a foolish hope. But where are we to go? Cried one in despair. There's a home. We did not reply. He looked up at the night sky where the stars were still hidden behind clouds and sighed. Then he said huskily, go back to the river of heaven. We have to stop running away sometimes. I'm too old. I shall crawl into my cave and hide. But you younger ones can make it. The young dragons looked at him in surprise. The rest of them, however, raised their heads and looked at him. Their eyes full on the river of heaven. Here we go. Its mountains are totally as a cross. These are caves lie hidden among its slopes, and the farther valley in the middle of the mountain is covered with blue flowers. When you were children, we told stories about the river of heaven. You may told new fairy tales, but some of us have actually been there. He opened his eyes again. I was born there so long ago. Not intelligently between that memory and me. I was younger than most of you all know. When I flew away, then in my life, I flew with on and on. I never dared to find the relation. I had to hide from humans who thought I was a man on the devil. I tried to go back to the land, but I never found a way. The old dragon was in young companions. Seek the river valley, go back to its security of the peak, and then we will never have to bring on humans again. They are human, he said, nodding towards the dark mountain top of another. But they will come soon. I have felt it for a long time. Don't linger. Fly away. Oh, it's perfect still again. Chillingly a final dust fell from the sky. So on and hit my shoulder, shivering. Oh, thanks a million, he was disappointed. Don't remember anything. Something good on me too. Everyone asked me, the old boy dreamed it up. Fighting along, I let us sleep very comfortably. Then he saw some more. Hey, what's going on? What's the idea? Don't do anything. My father took no notice. Yo, what do you think? Yeah, he said. In any case, I'm tired of living in hiding. Never flying outside the valley. He turned to the others. Let us look for the river of heaven. Come on. The sun off today. The moon is waxing. There'll be no better night for us. The others shouted as they had taken leave of his senses. But sleeping upon his time at night. You're still rather young, Friday, he pointed out. I'm old enough, replied Friday, raising his head a little higher. He was not much smaller than the other dragons, but his horns were shorter and the scales shone in the moonlight. Here, hang on. We have a sword scramble easily on Friday's neck. What's all this nonsense? You may have told me your details all up 10 times, but he said, and poisoning the mountain around them. But you've no idea what lies farther off. You can't just violate the human realm, looking for a place that may not even exist. Be quick, Saul, said Roger closely. What? Spat the Brian. See the others? Do they look as if they want to fly away? No, so forget it. If human beings really come, I'm sure they will find us a nice new cave. Yes, listen to her, said one of the other dragons, moving closer to Fire Drink. There's no other place like the Rim of Heaven, how to play the dream. No one belongs to humans. Every hide down and mainly wasn't peace. And if they really do come to our valley, we'll have to chase them away. At this flat laugh, and laughter was sure and low. Others tried turning back and hurrying, but the dragon had broken on his head. Come on, he told the others, and he turned and went back to the point in his cave. They followed him one by one, until all five and the old dragon on the left. Hey man, climbed down from the rock and looked at Frederick. I can see why they think the river is only a dream, he said. Yeah, as many a day when they think like a dream to me too. There's many a day when it seems like a dream to me too. Frederick shook his head. I'll find it, he said and looked around. Even if that is long and a human being stays where they are, there must be someplace where we won't have to hide. And when I found it, I'll come back and fit the rest of you. I'll spend all the night. The old dragon nodded. Come to my cave before you leave, he said. I will tell you all I can remember, even though it isn't much. But now I must get in out of the way, or I won't be able to move my old bones all tomorrow. With difficulty, Freeway Fred trudged back to his cave. Fireworks stayed behind with Solid left. The bone girl was pinned on his back on his hand. You idiot, she said quietly, acting like a big hill. Look, often look for something that doesn't exist, I ask you. What are you muttering about? Asked Jay, turning his head on her. There was too much for sorrow. She lost her temper and who's gonna wake you when the sun sets, he demanded. Who's gonna protect you from human beings? Who's gonna clean you and you behind your ear? Yes, who? Said Sarah sharply. She was still sitting on the long swing. Her old dragon answered. Me, of course, Forrest spat at her. Then yes, don't know what else can I do? Oh no you don't. Finally, his whole bony and her old nothing went back. You can't come. And just why not? Oh, so holding up wasn't because it's dangerous. I don't care. But you hate flying and when you're in I'll get used to it. You'll be homesick too. Homesick for what? You think I'm going to wait here till the fish coming into my house? No, I'm going with you. Fire sighed. Oh, very well, he murmured. You can come, but don't blame me afterward for taking you along. She will, said Red, chuckling as she jumped off the lawn near the damp grass. Probably you'll never having without something you can play about. Well, now let's go and see the old dragon. If you're going to start tonight, there's no tightening way. Certainly not enough time to finish your power without there was much.